Hey everybody, my name is Crayus. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to be writing some Java, working on a server. So I got a folder here. We got Bungee Cord and we got our hub server. So basically what my idea is, I just kind of want to get a working hub. Right now what I'm trying to do is get player storage onto MongoDB. So this will contain a few things. Right now all it contains is player name, user, unique ID, and the first time it was joined, first time the user joined, and the last time. Sorry, I have music on right now and it's really loud. I'll put that on for you guys in a second, just because this is gonna be mostly a chill stream. I'm not really doing much. We're just kind of vibing out, I guess. I'm gonna get the chat up just in case. Yeah, it's gonna be a really chill stream. Not really like anything I do outside of this. I have music. It's just gonna be kind of like, I don't know. Hopefully pretty chill. That's what the goal is. I kind of just want to relax, write some code, and if you guys want to watch, you are free to. Every once in a while, I'll probably do a little bit of a, I'll talk about what the fuck I'm actually doing. But right now I'm just trying to get this to work. So I built the package already, but I'm going to do it again just in case. And we have to go to my documents for this one. Here we go. Alright, so target, we should have this one here, which is 1002. Yep. So we are going to go to the hub plugins and just drop that in there. As you can see, I already have it, but the Mongo connection wasn't working earlier, but I think I figured it out as to why. But I guess we'll see. It's all part of the fun, you know. Actually, we'll probably see something here pretty early on if it's to do with Mongo, I think. Maybe not, though. Although I'm not sure when the plugin gets triggered. It might happen after the world loads. Yeah, okay, so here we go. Could not get map classes from package lol.whisper.main.models. Okay. So we're using Morphia for... our MongoDB handling. What is this? Oh, Minecraft's launching. Okay. So we're gonna go back to the Morphia docs. I'm pretty sure I did everything exactly like how they said. So as you can see here, if we go to my not Mongo credential, I'm gonna try not to show you guys because that has my credentials on it. Yes, I'm too lazy to create a config file for right now. I really just want to get this working. So. What happens here is, okay, so it's all done actually in the Mongo helper. So we create a new Mongo helper class and then we initialize it. So we have, this is where the connection string gets passed through. We create the data store exactly like how it says how to do it. My main thing is, why isn't it mapping the package? Do we have to... Because, right, it was originally on .main, I think. dev.morphia.example. So I'm not sure what example is. I guess, you know what, we can go to the GitHub and figure it out. So it's a part of this package, dev.morphia.example. Here's the data store, here's the mapping. Tell Morphia to where to find your classes, can be called multiple times with different packages or classes. And I think that's exactly what we did, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Because if we go to player, it is under this package, so, okay, whoops. I'm using the new IntelliJ beta UI. I have never used it before, before today, so I'm getting used to it still. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so yeah, for whatever reason this just isn't working. I guess we'll look at all of this stuff. yeah, it has something to do with mapping it. Now, I'm not sure why it's throwing this error because I'm pretty sure this is the package. lol.whisper.main.models. Let's just paste it in just in case I am... No, I'm not copying anything wrong. Let's see how they got their Mongo client. I mean, I don't see how this should... Class not found. Okay, so that's what this is caused by. Can't find the player class, apparently. I'm not sure why that is, because, I mean, it is right there. Do we have to implement an interface? Is that what we're doing wrong? This is the only thing, so... What is test base? I mean, you can see here, right? Like, there's no... Actually, is this public? Yeah, it is. Unless we need an index. You guys think we need an index? Maybe. Let's see what they are actually using here, though. Yo, what's good, Sandwich God? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on here or why this isn't working. I mean, we got a clearly defined entity here. For some reason it can't find the class, which I'm not really sure why. I mean, do we need to create... Oh shit, do we need to create the database? I've never used Morphia before. I'm used to using either the Mongo driver on C#.net or MongoDB entities. Oh yeah, we were gonna create. So I got 3T Studio pulled up here. It's pretty fucking sick. I love this thing. Actually makes working with Mongo so much easier. You can manage users and all that shit. You can even import SQL data, which I think is cool. Okay, so what is our... So I'm assuming this is the database name. I don't know. I don't know how annotations work in Java. I'm gonna be honest, because I don't use annotation. Like, I don't ever fucking use annotations on C#. I don't even know if that exists. That's good to hear, Sandwich God. You know, we're just chilling, doing some dev work, I guess. Not sure why I'm streaming this, to be completely honest. I don't know how interesting it's gonna be, but I'm bored, man. Okay, what am I doing here? Why am I looking at this? So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to make a database called players. So we're gonna try that out. I mean, if we don't, then fuck, I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh, did we already kill this? No. God damn it. God fucking damn it, dude. Alright, while we're waiting for that, let's build the package. And let's give it another shot, I guess. I don't think this is gonna work, really. I just realized we didn't actually change anything, so I don't know why I rebuilt it. All I did was add the database, so should be fine either way, though. I wonder if there is an override we can do for before the world loads, just so we can get ahead of the error faster. Could not get map classes from package lol.whisper.main.models. I mean, it's the right one. Should I look this error up? Maybe it's something that's happened. I mean, it says class not found, and then it retrieves the actual class. So I don't know what the fuck. URL class loader. Why is it loading it through the URL? All right. Several bugs related with map package. I found you from the All the Mods 9 live stream playthrough you were doing. That was at 1 AM, so frankly I forgot everything I watched. Yeah. I can't say I remember much either, man. I'm gonna be honest. But it's cool to see you around again. So they say to map individual classes, which I don't think that's too bad. We can definitely do that. And obviously we got that GitHub Copilot. Okay, so I mean something like this should work. I think. I don't know what it's. Why is it saying this? Is this actually an error? I can't tell. Okay, yeah, no. I didn't think so. Alright, let's see if this one works. So the only shitty thing is we're gonna have to add each one here. Although, however, you know what we could do? We could create... I mean, this is not really that much different, but we can do it anyway, just cause. So I think... Can we make a class list? Is that something we can do? This can't be... No, I don't think that's something we can do. Can we make a list of objects? Fuck, what are objects called in Java? Shit. These are... So what does this return? What does this actually take? Let's just look at that. Okay, so we have to do something like this. Class ... I think. I mean, maybe not. I honestly... New to Java, okay. Maybe we don't even... Okay, I think this will work, actually. Alright, so let's call this... Yep, models, perfect. Although, let's initialize the list. Okay. I don't think we need all of these overrides. What the fuck? Do we? Seems a little bit, It does need a size, actually. Okay. So instead of doing this here, let's do it in the initialization part. My coding knowledge is none to zero. Amen. I mean, this probably won't be a very interesting stream then, I'm gonna be honest. And do we actually have to fucking override all of these? is a lie. This is a lie. I think all we need is the size. Yes? No. You know what? Fuck you then. Wanna do a class array? Oh.
In this world.
Why do we have to set the language level to 9? Fuck no. Okay, you know what? This is a pain in the ass. I just want to test out to see if it'll work. Yeah, as far as coding knowledge goes, I mostly do shit in C#, so that's a bit out of my element, but Java is kind of close to C# in a lot of ways, actually, so I don't know, I feel like the skills could be transferred. I've written stuff in Java before, I just don't really regularly use it, so... okay. Let's see if it'll work this time. Fuck me. Stop. Why do I keep typing exit? As of what I'm trying to do right now, I really just want, every time the player to join, it puts this in a database. That's really it. Just so I have some way to store player data. Mostly for later on. Oh wait, let's check the... Oh, we haven't even started the server. Fuck, I accidentally opened up Edge. Get out of here. Very, very basics of Python. I mean, hey, it's a good starting point. I really like programming. I mean, I know it's not for everybody, but it definitely is, I don't know, I find it fun. Okay, I think that was it. So, it seems like map package is actually broken. Which kind of sucks. That threw me off for a while. Why isn't the server online, though? Python's pretty cool. I'm starting to respect it more and more. I kind of didn't like it initially, but it's... I mean, I still wouldn't really prefer to use it. Oh, I don't have Bungie open. That's why this isn't working. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Python, but I definitely see the appeal. Okay, so we should be able to join now. Now let's see. Does our database get populated with information? Nope. We got some kind of error here. Fuck me. Could not pass event player, join event to MC network. Why? Eh? Well, why is that exactly? This is a fucking... Oh, wait, what's going on here? Can't find a codec for codec cache key. Is this because we have a same class name? Is that why? So that's kind of annoying if so. Oh, wait, maybe that's what we're... Hold on. I think that's what we're trying to map. That would explain it. No, that is the correct one, I think. Yeah, we do have the right one. Okay, you know what we're going to do? We are going to refactor. And we're going to call this class player info instead. What is this? I mean, I don't want you to do that. Okay, so probably won't help anything. Let's see it before we build and put it back onto... Oh, I already closed it, so we might as well. Okay. I don't know what the error is anymore. I don't... This song's too much for me. I want something more relaxed. Alrighty. Please work? Question mark. I honestly doubt this will change anything, but I guess we'll see. I think it was trying to map the what's it called? The spigot. No, it doesn't seem like it. Can't find a codec for codec cache key. Why? Why is that happening? Where does that... It's something to do with Mongo and Morphia, but I don't know. Mongo helper. That's this one here. I mean, I did it exactly like how it was shown on here. Man, this is why I don't like Java. This is like the easiest shit that I could do in C#, but... Okay, you know what? Let's implement a constructor and do it exactly how they want us to do it. Like, it doesn't seem like it should be that hard, but okay. We're just gonna ask for the player. Oops. Alright, so from there we're going to set the UUID to that. Yep. And yep. And then the last scene will just be... Well, yeah, I guess if we're making the player info, then yeah, that's what it'll be. Okay, so now all we should really have to do is put the player into the constructor. So they do it with a final access modifier. I don't know. You can see I've looked it up before. Okay, cannot be modified or extended. Alright. That's fine by me. There we go. Alright, so we've simplified things a lot. Let's see if that actually changes anything. Alright, let's try joining. I doubt it'll work. Oh! Oh! Hold up. I mean, it made it. Yeah. I don't see any information. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I'm stupid. Alright, cool. So now we have the UUID, our player info, which for... Oh, okay, that's just like the class name. Player name, first time they were joined, and last time they were seen. So, we are going to double check one thing before we move on from this. And that is, we want to see if the last scene actually gets updated. And it is... Fuck out of here. And that it is not directly tied to first join, because that would be bad. As you saw in the constructor of player info, we set these to the same thing. But since, you know, it shouldn't actually be utilizing the constructor here, it's just modifying a variable and saving it. So if we relog, we should see a difference in the two values. Let's see if that happens. So first joined, okay, that's the same value, but I think we need to refresh the thing. How do we refresh this? Refresh all. I don't think that refreshed it, I'm gonna be honest. Come on, this has gotta work. No. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Well, why doesn't it work? That's the main question. So, we're getting our player info. Actually, did it overwrite it? Or did, I don't think it did. So, we definitely have refreshed it now. Oh, perfect. We got an error. So, it'll be much easier to figure out now. No suitable constructor found for the type. I'm assuming we're going to need a default constructor as well. Just kind of like a nothing type of constructor. Yeah. And what I mean by that is literally just this. They should actually say that in the documentation, unless they did and I just am stupid, but I don't think I did. Yeah, they don't have a constructor. So here's the other thing. I don't know if we have direct access to our variables. I'm gonna turn down the music a little bit again. We don't have access to our variables. I don't know if we have access to our variables. Like, I don't know if this is accessible and then if we can modify it and then just save it like this. However, that is kind of exactly the way that this works. I know there's also data store update, I think. Everything says that it's deprecated now, but this is like the same version that I'm using for the docs, so I don't really know what to do about that. I don't really think there is much I can do. Okay, so here it seems... Okay. So I think it works a similar way as, oh wait, what? Yeah, these are... Alright, cool, I guess. I don't think we're gonna be able to do that. Is it because we just didn't have a default constructor? I guess we should probably figure that out before we waste a bunch of time. I'm gonna put more RAM on this thing. I feel like maybe it'll make the start time faster. I don't know if it will. Probably not, but instead of 1 gig to start, we're gonna go 2 and then 4. I have 32 gigs of RAM, so we should be good on that front. On that regard. Okay, there was no error this time, so maybe that means it actually did work. Fuck, man. Is there a difficulty command? Put that shit on peaceful. Okay, so if we go here, we should notice after we refresh the document. Yeah, okay, perfect. So the last scene variable does actually get updated, which is great. Okay, cool. So we did that. Now we just need an idea. What do we do? What do we make now? It would be cool to have ranks, I won't lie. That'll take fucking forever. I don't know if we want to do that right now. I mean, I guess we could. What's up with this world generation? This is a weird-ass world. I don't think this is normal. It's just a vanilla world that I generated. Yeah, what the fuck? Okay, that makes sense. Maybe it's because I keep on closing the server forcefully. I don't know. Apparently I died over there. Alright. I don't know. Anyway, what should we do? We have player info. So we can start storing variables on there. I guess we could do like a leveling system. Let's do that. Actually, you know what? No. We're gonna do role helper. So roles are gonna be exactly like groups. I just want to do my own perm system. I've never actually done that before, so I think that would be kind of cool. We're gonna have to create a new model and call it role. And then in player info, we are going to have a new variable. There we go, perfect. Publio? No, I don't think so. And for the role, ooh, okay. So yeah, once we get the role helper figured out, that's when we're gonna populate that variable. So for role helper, what we're going to do is kind of use the Mongo helper just a little bit. Not really, but so here we're gonna do, it's not gonna be a public static string. It's going to be a public static. Are they voids in? Yeah, okay, they are. And this is going to, well, yeah, okay. We'll do get role first. And then we're going to do a very similar thing that we did here. So that means we should also probably just put this as a role. And for the data store, we're going to have to do public static data store. Equals Mongo helper dot data store. Although apparently that's, oh. Alright, so that's good. We don't need that. So okay, we are trying to find a role. And the filter is going to be, oh, we actually haven't even done the role yet. We should definitely do that. So I'm going to model it off of this one just because I don't really know Morphia super well, so I kind of do want a reference on the side to make sure I'm doing things right. Is that what it, that's not what it is. It's entity, right? Yeah, okay. Why did I type in entities? Alright, so that will be roles. So we're going to have a new, within this database here, we're going to have a new players, or sorry, not new players, new roles collection. New project. I don't know if it's a new project. We're just kind of like programming. If you have any ideas, throw them out, you know? We are making a server here. Now that I have good internet, I figured, I mean, I might as well do something like this. I have so much time right now, so it does not matter to me. Where was I putting that? Okay, that needs to go here. Yeah, okay, that's good. Thanks, IntelliJ. I don't know if we need an ID. I'm gonna put one anyway. Actually, no, I'm not. Fucking ID. I don't need IDs. God. IDs. Alright, so we're gonna start with public static name. In Java, you need capital S for your strings. Oh, color. That could be cool. Prefix. We're gonna need one of those. Okay, suffix. I guess that's optional. And then, yeah, public string array for permissions. I didn't even have to do any of that. And then look, it's gonna fill it all in for me right here. However, we're gonna make a couple constructors. I'm not gonna use that one. we're gonna make a blank constructor. Then we're gonna make a constructor with just the name, because that's how we're gonna be doing it on the Mongo side. You know, when you create a new, well, I guess we're gonna need to start doing commands as well, because I also want to be able to use commands to create this. Okay, so as a part of this, I wonder if it would be easier to. Okay. We're gonna add one method. Add permission. And we're gonna take in a string. We're gonna call that node, because it is a permission node. And I don't know how arrays work on Java. I'm assuming they work like how they do on fucking C#. So let's use a list instead. I think that'll be a lot easier. Oh, we got a couple. We got a couple to pick from here. I'm gonna go with Java util. There we go. No, I don't want to implement all those methods. How do you define a list? Because in C# it is very easy. You know, you don't even have to write that anymore. You can just write new and then parentheses. Okay, new array list. There we go. That works. Alright, so that's going to add a permission. We also want one to remove. Okay, very nice. Actually, you know what? I don't see the point in this unless we're gonna make it an array. In which case now, we can do a for each loop. Yep. It's a good thing it filled that out for me because I wouldn't know. Wait, no, it clearly isn't working. Oh, it's probably because. Alright, actually, do they even have for each loops in Java? I have no idea. Let's look at Java loops. They have a for loop, that's all you really need. Alright. So I'm going to do it exactly like how I would in C#, and then I guess if it's wrong, we'll just see what happens. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, never mind. You can use... Okay, that makes sense. Alright, so basically what this does is it loops through this entire array that's being provided here, which could be a list of strings, it could be something else, I don't fucking know. But anyway, the point is it will add and now also remove. What the fuck is this formatting? There we go. So yeah. Now, let us... Okay, so we can do... Oh, for the role helper... Actually, wait. Okay, you know what? Yeah. So we will always create a default role. So role helper... And we will initialize this. Actually, no, it's not going to be static void. Oh yeah, fuck. That's a good thing. It reminded me. I need to add it to the map. Well, I don't think we need all this. There we go. Okay.
In this world.
So in role helper, we are just going to. We're not going to do that. No. Stop. What are we doing again in the initialization part? Oh, yeah, okay. So what I want to do is I want to ensure that there is a default role. And we're actually going to make a public bool. Actually, no, it doesn't need to be a bool because it will be created regardless. And we're going to call, oh yeah, save role. That's a good one. We need that. So I guess you're going to have to pass in a role first.
In this world.
Which is fine. So we're also going to do a get role. And we're going to do role. Get role. And yes, we're going to use the role name. Alright.
In
And
this
I
world.
think that's exactly what we want. So data store.find.
The lady sweat the
So
style
this
like
means
the fool
filter
sweat the
equal
nuts.
to a variable. And we want the first one. Yep. That looks good. But this is already defined in the role helper. Oh, we actually... Oh. It's just deleted. I don't know why it was there. This one we're going to make static, and also this one as well, but for the initialization we're not going to. And that is because we are going to try and actually get our default role, which is always going to be made. So like so. I actually don't know if we can use... There we go. Okay, so you can't use the word default in Java, alright. Okay, so by default, I don't think we want to populate any of this stuff, to be honest with you. Okay, and then now that that's done, we're just going to do else. Actually, I don't think we even need an else, because that should be good. So basically what this will do is just create a default role, default, in our brand new... Oh wait, there's something we're forgetting here. Oh yeah, okay, so we're gonna make a public static role called default role. And we're not even going to set it because we're just going to do that right here, which I don't know if we can do this. Actually, yeah, we can just return. So at this, we're going to return default role will be equals to default. And if nothing happens, we're just going to set it to default because it should already be there. It's not null, so. All right. Oh, we still forgot to do this. Okay, role helper. Fuck. Dot default. Did I not make it static? I did. Do I need to import it? No. Oh. Okay, that was weird. Good job, IntelliJ. Alright. So, we have done that. Let's close our server. I think for some reason our Minecraft also closed. Not entirely sure why, but how is... Oh, okay, yeah. So I think we just built it. I actually can't remember if we already have, but I'm hoping we did. Sorry. Okay, let's start the server. And we also need to wait for our Minecraft to open because it's not open for some reason. Actually, I don't even think we need Minecraft to open for this. We just need to wait for this to populate. Oh shit, we never initialized it. Well, fuck, that'll do it. We never actually called that. No. Yes! GitHub Copilot is fucking god tier. Okay, let's get rid of this now because that's not gonna do anything. Copy that into here and start it up. Fuck, the ID property is required. We gotta do that. Hopefully no errors. Let's cross our fingers for that one. We should see a new collection any second. Oh, is that in there? No. I really wanted to stop outputting that. It's bad. I don't. Alright, so we should have a default role. We do. Let's go. It doesn't have a color or anything, but that's fine. I think we can actually... Well, I guess we don't have anything on this. We have no way of accessing this anyway, in the game at least. So, I mean, we did what we wanted to. Let's figure out commands. I don't know how to do commands on Spigot. Okay, let's create a new folder, or a new package, I guess it's called in Java, commands. And this is where we're going to store commands. So the first one is going to be a role manager command. See what we have to do. Okay, we'll just use what Spigot wants us to use. Alright, so that's that. I don't think we need to check if it's a player. Because we don't want to give items. Okay, so we're going to create a string called subcommand. There we go. Literally perfect. Oh my god. Beautiful. Except I don't want to use exactly what it's doing there. Let's do a list command first. And for our role helper, we're going to add a new public static. Just like that. I don't think we need to do this, do we? So we're gonna rework this. Okay, so all we need to do now is return not employees. Yeah, let's use a list actually for this. Okay, cool. So this, once we call it, it will just retrieve every single role in the database. So we're going to go role helper. Actually, we're going to do, sorry, not var. I'm so used to C#. What was it? List roles. Okay. Perfect. Beautiful. Actually beautiful. So we have that. Very basic command. Obviously, we'll get it done later on. But we want something to change our prefix. So let's do role equals role helper got. Well, we don't want to get the first role. We want to get. Oh yeah, no, args1. That's always good. And then, sure, wow. Knows everything I want to fucking do. Okay. But not everything, actually. Not everything. We want to save that. Oh, wait. We can do this with the role helper. Sorry, my bad. There we go. Boom. So now we should be able to. Oh wait, I don't think we've actually initialized the command at all. We have to do it. Yeah, plugin.yml, of course. Okay. Do we need to... Something tells me we're not doing this completely. Yeah, okay, we do need to register it in the main class as well. Alright, just like that, we should have at least a very basic command. Where we should be able to change the prefix value in our database. And it should get saved as well. Fuck me, man. Should create some aliases for that. And I guess we don't... Well, we might as well do it in-game. I'm not opt yet, so we're gonna opt myself. We have an error here. Return value of get command string is null. So I'm wondering why that is. What do we have to actually... Register a command kit. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's roles, is it not? Yeah, it is. What are we doing wrong? Let's just see what happens. So yeah, no, it is an invalid command. Which makes me feel like this isn't working properly. But I mean, obviously, it's not working properly. Okay, so we do have that. I don't know, I feel like the it's just not really working for whatever reason. Maybe we used the wrong build? I don't know. Let's try now. Nope, we got the same error. Return value of get command string is null. So it, for whatever reason, it seems like the plugin YML is just not working. Like, is the plugin YML being updated? It should be. Did we save this? Just do this, maybe this will help. Ugh. With the same error. I really don't understand. This should be working. I don't understand why it isn't. I actually don't know what to do here. I actually don't understand. That is the name. And you got it ready to go. Oh, fuck me. Jesus Christ, there's been a fucking YML file for this shit the whole time. This actually isn't the right, hold on. What was it before? .main.mc network, okay. Well, that explains, actually quite a lot, if I'm being completely honest with you guys. I'm a fucking idiot. Like, how does this even happen, dude? How? Okay, now it should work. God, I got it figured out though. That was kind of like, I was like, am I going fucking insane? It's always something. It's always something. That's why you gotta love programming, man. It's just so good. Alright, so let's test out our new command. Oh my god. What? Ah. Uses the space character in its name. Did I do that? I don't think I did that. Oh, I did that here. Fuck you, dude. Just let me fucking do this. Oh shit. Sorry. My bad, G. Can't open Discord for... Actually, hold up. I want to be able to open Discord. Alright. Oops. God, I'm just doxing everybody. So did we do that? Oh no, we clearly did not do that. Why is this still open? Get the fuck out of here. Alright. 17 times a charm. Probably. I guess we'll see. Oh no. That is because this is completely wrong. That's right. Alright. It should work now, bro. Yeah, you can see it already. Ah, fuck, man. But I actually think that's just because there's no default for, whatever it's called. So we have to do roles, prefix, default. Did it work? Let's check. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, let's check our other command. It did work, but for some reason then it gave us an error. Not sure why, but maybe we didn't return it. I don't know. Index one out of bounds for length 1. So it seems like we are not. Fuck, man, where is it? I mean, this should be fine. I don't know. It's just getting every roll and then outputting it. I guess after that we can just return. Maybe that's why it's doing that. Okay. So now that we've done that, let's see if we can actually display the prefix in every chat message. This one right here will do the trick. that all we have to do? Okay. That might actually be all we have to do. Not totally sure, but that's part of the fun, you know? There we go. Oh shit, you know what I just realized? I don't know how we are going to set our player roles. Oh, you know what? Let's delete this. I want to delete the... I want to delete all of this. Okay. So we actually haven't tried this in since we added the roles. Just getting a new player in the database. I don't know how it's going to do it as far as the role class goes, but I guess we will see when we join in.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
Hey, we got prefixes in a really shitty way though, because the database actually stores the role object. We're gonna rework this so that we can store a string, which is a reference to a role, and then it can directly access it from here. Because if we update a role, it's not gonna update this one. No, it ain't, buddy. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change things up a little bit, and yep.
You know what? Forget it. You're selfish and you're a liar.
says there's another parentheses that it's expecting, but I don't know where. Seems fine to. Oh, that one there. That will do it. Yep. Yep. But now there's this whole ordeal. Oh, I see what's going on. We don't need to get a player anymore. We don't need to do any of this.
Why don't you call up one of your friends and go out? Because I don't have any friends.
Yo, what's up? This is hip-hop.
All right, cool. So that works. Let's see if it actually populated that. I don't think it did, but no. Okay. So just because it doesn't have a role, and because we set it up here, sorry, here. So if there's no role, we should probably actually save the player info so that he does have, or so that it does have a role. So I think that's in Mongo Helper. There we go. So that should save the role now. Oh, actually, wait, no. Let's do this star roll. There we go. So that will hopefully auto-populate that if he doesn't, or if the player doesn't have a role. Let's test out color-coded prefixes. Although, maybe. How did they normally do? How did PEX do its colors? Oh no, it just converted the ampersands to the other thing, didn't it? Let's see, I don't actually know. They have it on GitHub, so fuck yeah. Ew, that's what they did? I don't know if I like that. Yeah, I don't like that very much. I think it would probably just be better to convert ampersands to... Okay. Okay, I know what we're gonna do. Perfect, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, so this should do color codes for us. The only thing is we're gonna have to update this here and say get prefix instead. And now we should be able to do color coding. So that's neat. Okay, now we are going to try to give this... Oh, actually, I guess we could do it in game. What color do we want this bad boy to be? Make it blue. Actually, wait, I want the inside to be blue, the outside to be gray. I think it was 9, right? Yeah. We're gonna call it member. Alright, did it update is the question. Yes. Oh. How did it add a... Oh. There we go. That's exactly what we want. Look at that. Building our own role system. Okay, so we don't have a creation thing yet, so let's do that. And on top of that, okay. We do not need all of this open anymore. I want role manager. So either the default is going to be, the default's actually just going to be a send help command. So I'm thinking the best way to do this me just a static string list. Alright, so we got our help command. Let's do a create. And alias for that will be add.
When she walks, she's like a samba that swings so cool and sways so gently that when she passes, each one she passes goes by. And then young and lovely, careful, Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes goes by. When she walks, she's like a samba that swings so cool and sways so gently that when she passes, each one she passes goes by.
Okay, so I'm trying to figure out, like, what's the best way... Maybe when the player joins. So I don't know if the permissions need to be added. So I know they do, but I don't know where is the main part. Oops. Oh, shit.
My name is no. You know what I'm saying?
Check it out. First album. Last song.
Oh, fuck me. What? I don't want to do that. Okay, so it seems like we're gonna need to store a local list, or a hash map rather, with our custom permission attachments, which is a bit more of a pain in the ass than I thought it would be, but I mean, I don't know, I guess it's not too big of a deal. So what we're going to do is create a permissions helper. Okay. Okay. we already have the attachment on the player. Okay. So now when the player joins, we have to there we go. We also need to create a new event handler on player quits. There we go. Okay, I'm not sure if that's everything just yet, because... Okay, so what we're going to do... We're going to need to create our own event handler for when the user changes its role. But I guess there's not really a way to do that yet anyway, so I think it's probably fine to keep it like this for right now. Or, you know what, actually we could create a user manager right now. Shit, I actually realized we don't need to do this at all. Oh, we did need to do that. Fuck me. Because we need to see if the player's online. Actually, wait. Maybe we don't. I think we can just... We might have to create a new overload for this, but... Okay, so we're gonna do something here. Gonna refactor this one. Get player by UUID. This one is going to be a get player by name. And the reason why we're doing this is so it's easier for people to actually do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, we need to be able to figure out what the player, like, we need to be able to type it in a human readable format. We can't type out UUIDs. I mean, are you fucking shitting me? So, but that's all this does, really. And then here we can do get player by name. So this will also allow us to target offline players as well without having to access the player on the server directly, which I think makes it a lot easier. So now that we have that, we're going to do role equals and then the second argument. But we're gonna do a check first to see. Okay, yeah, that's a good check. On top of that, we're going to see if we're going to make a new string of role equal args2. We're gonna see if this role exists as well. God damn it. Okay. Perfect. Alright, so I think that's good. We can return that as true. We might as well also send the player a message. Role set, and then yeah, we should definitely save the player. Oh shit, I see, okay. And if we're going to try and get if the player's online. Okay, cool. We also want to set up an event handler to make this a lot easier for myself, and if I ever decide to update a user's role any other way. So we want to create our own event. So we're going to go here, package, events, user role change. Oh, no. Oh, sorry. It's not implements. I am an idiot. No. I'm just gonna copy it in from here. we actually need this method at all. And yeah, we really do just need the constructor, so that works perfectly. Maybe we do need this. Alright, that's fine. Okay, so I guess we'll be able to find the role. Okay. So now we want to create the events. And we're going to do that in the user manager right here. And now we can go to our event listener. Perfect. Okay, I think we're going to... Oh, that's a private, that's why I'm an idiot. Just so we don't have to do this again, I'm going to create one called refresh player attachment. And really all it's going to do is create, or sorry, it's going to remove the player attachment. Now, all we have to do is one line that says refresh player attachment. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay, so, wow. Let's add our, I forgot to do this in the first place, but we should definitely add our new command, which is users. Yep, looks good. Okay, now we have to go to here and just do a very similar thing. Just double check, yeah, users. Okay. Looks good to me so far. I think let's just try and test it out. That was kind of a long little, yeah, that was long. But, oh wait, did we call, yeah, okay, we did. Okay, cool. Alright. Let's test everything out, see if it works. You know, we're building a full-on permissions manager here, which is very hype. All from scratch, which I like. I don't know why. I don't have to be complicating it this much, but I don't know. It's cool nonetheless. I love doing this kind of shit, so I don't know. I don't have a problem with it, but. So far, so good. Let's see the help page. Nope, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Aw, man. Don't tell me the commands are broken. Okay, they're not. That's not what the list command is supposed to do, though. Yeah, that's not what the list command is supposed to do at all. See if we can still change the prefix. Yeah, okay, we can. That list command is gonna have to be figured out, but you can change the prefix. Whoops. What was that? Oh, minimap. Okay, cool. We're gonna do roles create, and we're gonna call this one owner. Did it get added? Yeah, it did, but it also added 2 default roles. So that's not right. We're gonna have to rework that logic there. Shouldn't be creating a new role every time. Why is this always null? Clearly this isn't working in some way, but I feel like it is because it works in the other places. Like in the event listener right here, I think. Yeah, get role. So it's able to find the role, unless it's always going to default role, which it might be. But I don't know why that would be happening. Alright, so clearly we got some issues. Do we have multiple players? No. So, I mean, that part's working at the very least. I don't know why there's multiple default roles. That's not how it should be. that what's breaking the list here? Yeah, okay. That did break the list. Alright, so we're gonna have to figure that out. I don't know why it's happening, but I'm sure we can figure it out. So our owner prefix, let's get a really nifty one. Now we're gonna try out our new user group role or command. That didn't work.
Okay, Mrs. Puff, what's my final score?
6.
It's player name, goddammit.
6.
Okay, so for our user manager, we need to do something a little bit differently here. Where did it go wrong? What line? Yeah, player by name. Can't get the player by the name? What the fuck? Oh yeah, right. That makes perfect sense because this should be player name, not just name. Alright, so what we're going to do is just to test out to see if the role creation actually works, we're going to go owner. I don't think we need to save it. Do we need to save it? I think I've edited stuff like this before. Yeah, okay, there we go. Oh, we forgot to do yeah, why are there 2 owner roles? That's not right.
What?
600.
There we go.
600 to
Okay,
pass.
so that part
6.
works at least. There's some issue with how the roles save though, it seems. I wonder why that is. Let's go to role helper. So get role. We're finding the role with the name. And that is correct. Does it have something to do with this place? Saving the player, maybe. We don't ever create a role. Is it in the player itself? Maybe. So if the role is null, so if it can't find defaults, it will give it the default role, and then it will save the player. At least it should save the player. But it's interesting as to why it's creating. Oh, is it because of this? It shouldn't be. There's clearly something going on, but I don't know what. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a quick break. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Alright, your boy's back. Full glass of water. I don't know what time is it? 12? Oh god. Been streaming for 2 hours. Let's try and get this shit fixed and then I think we'll end it off there. So we have an issue with, is it this? No, it can't be this. It must be, I don't know what this would be. Created another one. There's clearly something going on with something. Just don't know what it is. See when it happens. Is it when we join the server? No. Is it when we change our group? It's not that either. Is it when our player... Well, I mean, I say it's not that either, but we're not even able to actually do anything there. Okay, so we are a member now. Is there another role? No. I'm stumped. I don't know. Ooh, is it changing the prefix? I bet that's what it is. Yep, okay. So anytime something gets... It's because it's getting overwritten. Which is odd, because it should be retaining the same ID. I mean, it's not like every time we try and manipulate the player, it doesn't do anything. This part clearly works. So why doesn't it work for the roles? Let's see what we're doing here. We do have access to the UUID. What is this one doing? Oops. I'm wondering if it's safer to... Actually don't know. I think we're just gonna have to say fuck this. And maybe that will work. So I mean, we're not creating a new role. If it's null, nothing will happen. It's clearly able to find the role. Although there's 4 usages of this. Various different spots. Oh god. I mean, like, at the end of the day, it should be able to just overwrite it. I don't understand. Why doesn't that work? I don't know. I guess let's just see if this fixes it or not. So it should only change this for the prefix as of right now, from what I know. So my thing is, maybe it's not, when it's passed through to a method, it doesn't save the UUID or something. Oh no, I guess it is unique for a player. Yeah, no, it's always unique for a player because the player has their UUID. Okay, so maybe that's what it is. Can we use group now? If we do /roles, does it also error out? Yeah, okay. Oh, I know why it's erroring out for that. I'm just an idiot. Is there... So that should fix that. We should probably also do that for this, though. Oh, we were doing that for that. Okay, so those errors should be fixed. Oh yeah, so we were doing the prefix. Whoops, oh god. So I don't think this fixed it, because I think what we're gonna end up having to do is make this the so these different. Yeah, that is definitely a Minecraft UUID. So we're gonna make name the ID. So instead of us even having a UUID, which it's not like we're using even, we're gonna make the name the UUID, and that should resolve hopefully all the problems. Because now it has to be unique. Although it didn't do it this time. Unless it, oh, maybe we just weren't able to change. Wait, what is, why, what? Oh, we didn't even do it. Okay, that explains it. Yeah, okay. Still added it. Okay, so, ooh, what did I just do? There we go. So what we are gonna do is column, no, field, yes, field. Oh, we can't delete these ones. Oh, great. Okay, so... God damn it, man. God fucking damn it. That's fine, but it's a little frustrating. So yeah, I think we're gonna come across an error here. So we're gonna have to delete the ID, but it's a unique ID, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Oh, sorry. Okay, no, actually it seems fine. Oh shit, now we don't even need the, oh fuck, wait, that's weird. Oh, it's because this isn't even necessary anymore, okay. Okay, cool. We're gonna let's just see if we can do. Yeah, okay, perfect. That's what it should do. Okay, nice. We're gonna create owner again, and we are gonna give it a prefix. Fuck. Okay, we're going to assign my user to owner. Role set, very nice. It didn't set the prefix. Well, that's not ideal. I wonder if it has to do with the new change. This one here. Okay, so to test this out, what I'm going to do is /group add perm owner, and then we're gonna do that. Okay, no error. But it does not actually update it. Now, why is that? I know exactly why. I know exactly why now. It is because in our role helper, it's no longer the name we're using, it's the ID. So it's actually not able to retrieve any roles whatsoever. So now, if we build this, get the fuck out of here. Oh shit. Okay. And I lost the owner prefix, but that's fine, we can make a new one. Okay, so we're still in the owner role. Alright, so I'm gonna do add aids and then add C. Owner. Did it work? No. Why? Why didn't it work? Actually, this doesn't make that much sense at all. Because the player is able to do this fine, and it uses the UUID. And yeah, those are definitely different values. I was at 11:18 and now we're at... Yeah, that's right. Considering I just logged in like a second ago. So this one, the roles, it's just not working. I don't know why. It's kind of annoying. Because like it should be working. And we're not getting an error either, which is the weird part. So, okay, in our Mongo helper, when we're filtering for UUID, we actually do filter for UUID. And it's called ID. So that isn't actually the issue. This is not the problem. But then the question is, what is the problem? I don't fucking know at this point. I thought we had it down, but I don't think that's the case. Like that, yeah? That's correct. It's working here. But it's not working here, so we must be doing something differently. But I actually don't think we are. And you know, it definitely is working correctly in some places. Because actually, hold up. Let's do another test. Yeah, okay. So if it's an invalid roll, then it doesn't get, nothing goes through at all. But if it's a valid roll, the prefix just doesn't get changed. And I don't know why exactly that is. 'Cause it should be getting saved. Unless it's, is it because we're not returning true? I guess let's try it with the new return directives. I don't know if this is gonna fix it, but I guess it's worth a shot. I don't know. I don't know what will fix it at the moment. It's gotta be something stupid I'm doing, but I don't know what. Oh. Is that actually what fixes it? And I guess it is. Cool. And it no longer duplicates the roles, which is great. Let's see if we can add permissions. Okay, that's very promising. Now, let's de-op myself. And I think we're gonna have to relog. We don't have permission to do anything. Okay. You know what? We'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Give it the benefit of the doubt. Maybe it's because, I don't know, the asterisk is just not being, we can do it here, I think. No. Although, I think we might have to relog. Okay. So apparently that is it. I mean, it doesn't really work amazingly still. And also, I don't get why I can't use all those commands. Okay, so this should be the logic for the sign. What else didn't work? I think there was something else. Oh, I mean, I guess it just kind of works. Okay. Oh. I want to make a new event. gonna be a bit different. We're gonna do roll. Alright, so in our event listener, we'll create a new handler. How should we do this one? I guess we can just loop through all the players. It's kind of a shitty way of doing it, but I guess it should probably be fine. I mean, I don't know. Okay, yeah. But also not really what we want. Well, kind of. We're gonna say if p.roll is equal to event.roll, or actually get roll. There we go. Then we're going to do this. That should do the, oh wait, no, that won't do that yet. We are going to just basically copy this and put it here. What? Needs, wait, oh, that's, I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right. Maybe, hold on. Is that right? Oh, we're using the wrong, no we're not. Oh, we're using the wrong one here though. There we go. Alright, so now it calls the event. We're gonna wanna do that for removing the permissions as well. And I think that's it. Okay. Really fledging this plugin out. Despite it never gonna be, it's never gonna be used by anyone, but it's fine. It's all in good fun, you know? I can say I made a simple permission manager. Permissions X Reborn. I don't have parenting, I don't really have proper permission set up, you know, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely, I think parenting will be kind of a pain in the ass. Not gonna lie, but we'll get it done, you know. Okay. Do we have all permission now? No. Why? You fuck. we actually wait? Ah, fuck. That's what I forgot. God damn it, man. It's the one thing. Oh, actually, no, there was one other thing I wanted to test out. Oh, but I guess we can't do it anyway. We don't have all perms. Okay. That's fine. We'll get him next time. This time. We're about to fuck them up. You're gonna be amazed. They're gonna be like, wow. How did you even do this? Beautiful plugin. Must have taken you hours. One thing up. Still writing that code, huh? Yep. Absolutely I am. One thing on my mind is, what is a good way to sync visual clips to audio clips? I don't know. I always look at... I don't know about in Vegas with a script. I don't know if that exists. I don't know how that would be done even. Like automatically sync audio to video? You need like some AI shit, I think. Okay, do we have all perms? Fuck off. Do we not? Please tell me this will work and just isn't showing up. Oh my god. Are you shitting me? You fucking kidding me, dude? Like, we have this, do we not? Yes. Okay, so that works. It's just like, you know. What we actually have been trying to get to work isn't working. For some reason. We set that to true. Yeah, okay, we did. So if the perm contains that, what is the perm even? Okay, the perm is any one of them in... Oh, it's... Wait, when does this return? So this only returns if... Is this part? If p.getName.contains perm... Not... What? Okay, hold on. Let's think about this. Fucking get out of here. That's why that wasn't working. God damn it, GitHub. GitHub Copilot, you stupid bitch. Developer I've talked with asked me this. My idea was copying the video event to each audio event in the child track. It's too basic for how I thought of it. I don't, what do you mean by video and audio event? I feel like that's, I don't know. How would that work? What events are you talking about? Why isn't this closing? There we go. Alright, giving it another shot. Million times a charm, eh? I think this time it'll work. I don't know what the fuck that one guard was, to be honest, but... Really good work. Alright. I don't know if /help is... Oh! Yes! We did it! We fucking did it. Too easy. Oh, I guess we're already in creative. Okay, survival. Hell yeah. Fuck out of here. We're crazy. Cool, so we have permissions working. I kind of want to get parenting working, but I don't know if that will take too long. Probably will. Let's think of a way to do parenting. Okay, I think I got a way. I don't think it'll take too long. So we're gonna add a new value here. Public string parent. As such, it would copy the video clip and check for each audio clip on the corresponding track, then paste the video clip to each audio clip. This is essentially for those remixes. Oh, okay, I understand. I thought you meant syncing up audio and video from, like, let's say you're recording on an external mic and you have a video clip. That's what I thought you were talking about. Okay, so we're gonna need to add a new command. And oh, I guess probably should add a delete command as well. But for right now, no. We're just gonna do parent. Alright. Perfect. Did it for us. Really don't even have to do anything. I am happy with that. However, one thing it forgot to do was call the... Actually, you know what? Let's put this in the role helper, because I don't want to be calling this event constantly, man. It's kind of a pain in the ass. So role change invoke. We're gonna need our role. And okay. That looks good. I'm surprised we don't have to import anything. That seems a bit sketch. I feel like we definitely do, but that's fine, whatever. So now instead of writing all this code, we can just type in role helper dot role change invoke, and then we do our role, which is R, I think. Yeah, okay. So then we do that for... Oh, wait, that's the wrong place. We just changed the wrong thing. Okay, role manager. That's where we want to do it. Role change invoke. Oh, that's the... Oh, yeah, we need it for the parent as well. And here as well. Alright, brilliant. We're doing it, guys. We're doing it. So, for the permissions helper, when we create our attachment, I guess if the permission does contain that, we don't even care about the parent at all. But if our role, God, we should be saving these as variables. What are we doing here? Okay, so we need the player info. We are going to get from this. Okay, so pi.getRole, okay. And since I don't want to make multiple calls to get the role, we're just going to do that. Okay, so now we can just do role.permissions, which is much nicer than what we had before. Okay, role.parent. So if role.parent is not equal to null, exactly, here we go. So the good thing, it's doing some things right here. It's also not. Oh, that's actually a good idea. let's do, instead of it doing parent, let's say get parent role. That's good. Fuck.
You're listening to Radio Moon's Facts, the last radio station on planet Earth.
Okay.
Kick off your shoes.
So that should get our parent role.
Lean back and relax.
So instead of doing all this bullshit, we can just do get parent role. And perfect. Missions. Okay. And yeah, I guess we're gonna want to make that check again to see if it has all perms. Actually, I feel like there's gotta be an easier way to do this. One that doesn't contain so many loops. Because this is gonna be a pain in the ass to do, man. Okay, so let's delete all this for right now. 'Cause we need to figure this out. I don't know how exactly I want to do this yet. So if rolled up parent is not equal to null, then okay. Here's what I want to do. I want to make a public static, and then we're gonna do a list of type, not permission. I want to do string. Get parents permissions. Okay, so if role is equal to null, return role.permissions. Well, I think we can just return null. Because I don't want it to add things. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it to add things that it doesn't need to add. So what we can actually do is, well, okay, yeah. We can do list, string, parents perms. Okay, perfect. So if parent perms is equal to null, or I guess if it's not equal to null, let's continue working on this logic first before we do any bullshit there. So we don't want to take the role permissions. What we actually want to do is, this barely even wrote a script. I don't know. This is shit. Okay, so we're gonna do role dot get parent dot permissions. Okay, so now it's assigned this list to that, but that's not all we want to do. Because if the parent role we're gonna make a bool, or sorry, a boolean in Java. So we're gonna say still parenting equals true. Oh, and we'll do a role parent equals role dot get parent. Okay, so while still parenting is equal to true. So if parent.parent is equal to null, still parenting will be equal to false. This loop will stop. It will put the parent to the next one. And before we do that, we want to Okay, I think this will work, but honestly, not entirely sure. So if it's not equal to null, and we need to pass in our roll here. Oh shit, wait. We already have that done. Okay, so if parents perms is not equal to null, then if parents perms of 4 each, this looks good. Yep, okay. Let's do that. And I think we just got parenting to work. So, to test this out, we're gonna build. I'm really curious to see if this will work, actually. I'm not, like, super hopeful. But, like, I don't see why it wouldn't. God damn it. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Okay, let's create a group called admin. We're gonna make the parent group of admin default. Now, let's see if that actually worked in the database. Yes, okay, it did. Nice. So, we need to add a permission to default, and then assign myself to admin and see if it works. So, is there a bucket/kill? Oh, yeah, okay. But I don't know if that's the Minecraft kill or the bucket kill, so let's see. No, there's no bucket kill. Okay, what are the Minecraft perm modes? Okay, I found it. So we're gonna give default minecraft.command.kill. Now, we are going to set my user to default. Huh. Why isn't that working? Is the user manager dead again? Let's do it in the console, I don't know, maybe. What is my group set to? It is owner. So either we broke the permissions completely, or I don't think we did. doesn't seem like the users. What the fuck? Okay, I just for some reason don't have permission to use it, which I guess is fine, even though no, it's not fine because thought we had moved past this, alright? Clearly it doesn't give permissions for every plugin. So that's kind of fucking annoying. Oh, it's because we only got the bucket permissions. Oh, fuck me. Okay, well. Actually, wait, no, does that even make sense? I have no idea, man. Anyway, point being, let's just set my group to default. Oh god. Player is null. Okay, instead of that, we're just going to set default. Oh. Okay, yeah, there we go. Good. Let's relog. Any errors? No? Okay. So we should have a lot less permissions. Okay, we do have /kill though. That's a good sign. Now let's change our group to admin. Okay, and we don't have kill. Alright, so parenting clearly does not work yet. It's a bit of a shame. I think we also broke something else that I can't remember now, which is kind of lame. Oh, wait, no, I think I know what's going on. This needs to go first. Wait. This needs to go first. So we need to add all of our permissions first. Before we get out of the loop. Okay, so that's that. The question is, why doesn't it do the same thing for... Okay, you know what? We're gonna make a new... So apply all perms to player. So this is great, right? It's great, but it doesn't really work because I think we need to get plugin, bucket plugin. That should do it. That should do it. Okay. So now that we have that done, God, this is becoming a... No, we don't want to add a new attachment either. That's not what we want. We want to use our existing attachments, so here we go. Okay, now we don't need all this ugly shit anymore. This is all we need. Alright, let's... Okay, I'm suspicious of this, but I guess we'll see if it works. We're getting there. We're on the right direction. Like, for the most part, things are surprisingly functional. Oh god, I've been working on this for 3 hours. Okay, I need to stop after this. I can't... Well... Yeah, I should probably stop. I need to sleep. Sleep is good for you. At least that's what I've heard. We still don't have /kill. Wow. I'm pissed off. I don't know what to do. How do I get it to work? Regardless of that, sorry. Regardless of that, let's check if the all perms thing works. 'Cause I'm not super hopeful on that either. Nope, does not work. Wow. Fuck you, villager. You suck. Fuck you. Okay, we're gonna have to rethink the parenting system. And also the all perms system, which apparently doesn't work either. Okay, instead of directly finding the attachment like so, I'm gonna say permission attachment. Okay. So now we're returning our attachment. For some reason that's causing issues. Oh, it's because we don't need these anymore. What? Okay, so instead of us returning an attachment, I guess we will create a list of type string. Shit, we don't need to do that. Fuck yeah. Okay, and then we have to do terms dot add. Yep. And same thing for here. Return our terms. Okay. That should be a bit better. We actually don't even need this either. Hoping this fixes something. Either that or I just made it even more complex for no reason. But hopefully that's not the case. Now let's figure out what's going on with our parent permissions. So we're getting our parent permissions. If it's not equal to null for each string, we are going to iterate through. If it contains that, assign it to all perms. Otherwise, just set the individual perm to true. And after that, set its own permissions to true. Oh, we need to do this outside of... We need to do that outside of here. This is for the role permissions. Wait, how far does it goes all the way down here? Okay. So if there are parent permissions, this is when we're gonna do that. I think maybe that's.
What is that? OG's, BG's. OG's is our original gangster. Original gangster.
So that's our role.
BG's is baby gangster.
So if our role doesn't have a parent,
baby
if it's null, return null. Get the parent role. Let's do this up here, actually. Well, no, because then there might be null reference exception. Okay, so what this does effectively is it takes the current parent permissions, put them in a list. While it's still parenting, we should probably go to the next parent. Yep. So go to the next parent first. add all those permissions. If the next parent's parent is null, then do that. And then, okay, this, I think this will work much better. Hopefully.
After you put my homeboy's name was Avery, he was standing on the corner. The crowd go by, the crowd go out, but I don't know why. See, he stood there because he thought it was a crime. They go without his name and they said, let's pull out the gas and let's do
Alright. Okay, we found an issue. Cannot pass player join event to MC Network. And it happens in the permission helper, forgetting the parent's permissions. At 73. So let's see what's going on line 73. So it's getting the parent role. So what should be happening is admin has no permissions, but it's getting its permissions from, actually wait, no, is that what's happening? Because I don't know if you even have a check for oh, because parent is null. So this is actually null, so it can't get the parent role. Which is very odd because it's default. Unless I added a space at the end. No. Did not. Oh, I see, okay. Okay. It's because we weren't checking if there's a further parent after the first. So that makes a lot of sense. But now we are checking. And if there isn't a further parent, we just return what we have existing. I think that'll work. And hopefully I can sleep. Okay.
I love you like I love the days way back when.
Alright, no more errors. What role are we? We are admin. Okay. Let's check /help. Do we have /kill? Yes! Yes! We do! Fuck yeah, it works. Okay. The last thing I want to test is if we set our user group we actually can. Okay. So we set our user group to owner. Oh, fuck me. We have to fix the event thing, but it does actually still change the owner. It just doesn't send the event correctly. And then, is there any further? No, there's no errors after that. So we should be... Yep, okay, we do have all permissions. Let's see if we have all permissions for MC Network. Fuck! Why? Why don't we have all the permissions for our own plugin? This doesn't make any sense. Okay, you know what? I'm not giving up. I'm not fucking giving up on this. Okay, so we're getting... Why are we getting the plugin descriptions? We're getting all the plugins. Do we need to get the description to get the plugins? Plugin loader? That should be working. I don't understand. You know what I just fucking realized, guys? I never added the permission to my plugin YML file. So that is probably why it is not adding that permission. So I'm tearing my hair out for no reason. Let us fix the invoking of... What is going on here? Okay, so our user group, this part here, I swear this has worked before, but maybe not. I wonder if the other one works. Do group add perm default. Let's just add ASD or some bullshit. Yeah, no, that event works fine. user role changed event. It's not, this part isn't working. So on the permissions helper at 83, player is null. And it is used in the event listener. And in the permissions helper again, at the beginning where it refreshes. Where is this not working again? I don't understand. His player is null. I mean, oh, on user role changed. Okay, let's go to the user manager. This is where it happens. Yeah, it should have the UUID. Okay, let's go to the event listener. So on user role changed. Grab the guy by his UUID. And I guess we'll do if. We'll do player. I really don't think that is going to fix it at all. I don't even know if we need to do this at all. I don't think we need that.
Where are we going?
I don't think this is going to change anything, but we'll see.
Into the realm of pure imagination. You've all heard the old saying, believe in a thing enough and it'll come true. Well, suppose, just suppose many people came to believe in something couldn't possibly be real.
Oh yeah, let's see. Do we have... Yeah, we do have /users now. Let's go.
If you believe.
Sorry, cow. I'm not sure why I was just murdering that man, but... Okay. User group. Set, and yep, there's an error. This seems longer. Player is still null. Why is player null? That's my question. It really shouldn't be. Set a check, I guess. If player is equal to null, just return. But again, it shouldn't be null. Unless... yeah, we're gonna want to change this to online player. this is where it is. I see, okay. Because we're using the UUID. Stupid bitch.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're floating in space.
Alright, that should be how it actually works. I think that's why this message wasn't sending either. It's because we were trying to find the player from a UUID, which, I mean, that won't work if we're looking for him by name. I think this will be the build, guys. The build that wins them all. Alright. We no longer have permission because I think we're default. Yep. Okay. User group, average, MC, owner. Yeah. Yeah. Their permission should be updated. No, they did not get updated. Why? The fuck is your issue? Why didn't they get updated? That's sad. Okay, well, there's still more to do, guys, I guess. Like, if we leave and then we go back in. Yep, okay.
We like to experience things fully. See, we have time. We live longer.
Something here is not working. So removing the player attachment. We remove the attachment. That should be fine. And then we remove that. That doesn't explain why it just doesn't work, though. Okay, maybe we do permission, attachment, and then we get that. And then, well, okay, sure. Then we do attachment dot. Oh, can we just straight up remove it? any errors for this? No? Okay. I guess let's try this. Alright, we still have every permission. Which, I don't know, I'm confused about. Did not give default all perms, so that's not right. It's interesting how it works when we disconnect and reconnect. Yeah, now I have what I need, but doesn't work any other time, it seems. I probably should have checked this part here. So get all the online players. If the player info P is equal to... So we're getting the player by UUID. Okay, that looks right. Maybe we should change these to use their names so that we can just be comparing strings instead of direct objects. Thinking that might be best. That might actually be it, because it might just not be comparing them properly. I don't know. Oh shit. Forgot we have to do that. In Java, can't directly compare strings for some reason. Gotta do it the proper way, man. Double equal sign ain't gonna cut it. Let's hope we can get this shit working. Default perms. Okay, average. You are now going to be owner. Okay, I've been updated to owner. I still don't have the permission. Okay. Well, I get what is being passed into. What is being passed into the role permission change event? So, we are returning the role that we get Role change invoke. Maybe we should just change this to a string and do the role name. I don't fucking know, man. And then all this shit happens. Calling it in the event manager. That's where this happens. Actually, I think this is getting called. Let's just double check. Send them a stupid message. So your permissions have been updated. So that's what they get sent if it is being updated, and if not, then, you know, fuck you, I guess. And since we're not using this, okay, yeah, you know what? We're changing this to a string. Yeah. Changing this as well. Wait. Have we been updating? Ah, fuck. We have been updating the wrong thing. Oh shit, we did the same exact thing. We did the same fucking thing. God damn it, I hope we didn't break everything now. Why can't it resolve the symbol name? The name symbol exists, fucker. Oh, it's because it's a string now. Of course. Okay. I know what's going on here. It's because you need to get player. Oh, I see. I fucking understand now. Okay, so you are no longer going to be using a UUID. You're just going to be using a nice little player name. So that's that, but now there's some issues because so first of all, I'm an idiot and I was editing this the whole time when I should have been looking at this, so I'm just fucking stupid. Now we need to go to the role helper and change this bad boy because we are no longer using a role, we're using a name for the role. And then I think that means, yeah, so we need to update these. Yeah, okay, there we go. So let's just go to the role helper. Update these respectively. We are also going to have to go to the user manager, and instead of onlineplayer.getUniqueID, we're just going to go get name. And now this should be the build of all builds. Okay, I'm telling you, this is going to work flawlessly. If it doesn't, I don't care. I'm leaving. I don't want to work on this anymore. I've almost been streaming for almost 4 hours. I mean, for 4 hours? Oh, fuck. We've gotten a lot done, so I guess I can't complain too much other than the fact that it's like almost 2 a.m. So, yeah, I guess I could complain. Yeah, let's hope for a flawless, absolutely flawless execution here. Okay. Okay. Okay, moment of truth. Yes. Wait. Not fully yes. We don't actually have our permissions that we need. So it didn't really work. It got rid of all the permissions. But then, unless this is causing, well, okay, what happens when we disconnect? God damn it, man. God fucking damn it. Okay, what happened? Oh, we did actually get an error here. We disconnected. And it could not, given attachment is not part of permissible objects. Line 86 on permissions helper, we have remove attachments. I think that's because we're doing this. So maybe instead of removing it right away, I don't know, wait, why are we doing this? Maybe that'll work. Let's check it out. I thought that was really going to be the build of all builds, but did not turn out to be the build of all builds, guys. I'm really sad, but I don't think this one will be either. I think we have some other issues we need to sort out somewhere. I don't know where, but probably somewhere if I had to guess. Just like an estimate. It's probably somewhere in the code. Okay, that worked. The moment of truth. Yes! Yes, it works flawlessly. Wow, that was the build of all builds. Holy shit. Well, mission fucking accomplished. I couldn't be happier. I mean, we just built this permission plugin from scratch and it works. I didn't have to get luck perms or anything. It's already synced to my Mongo database. So like, any server I run this on, will have all the same permissions. I can add, next up I'm gonna add local overrides for server permissions. Then I'm gonna have to hook into Bungie, which is gonna be a little annoying, but I'm sure you can figure it out. I don't think it'll be too shabby at all. But yeah, that's the end of today's video, guys. Or fuck, today's stream. Almost 4 hours long. This is longer than I actually play Minecraft more. You can tell, but I find more enjoyment, and I like programming, man. It's fun. But anyway, I'm happy with the shit we did today. Look at that member. Ooh, spicy. Let's you know what? Before we leave, let's set one for admin. Okay, what are we thinking? I need to get the color code back up. If you guys are interested in what my fucking web browser looks like, lots of tabs. What do we want to do today? Let's make it similar to the owner, but we'll make it green. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we did it, guys. Parenting, permissions, group prefixes. I didn't have to deal with all the fucking essentials chat bullshit and whatever else. You know, maybe one day I'll realize I should have just used luck perms all to begin with. But I don't know. I don't care. Made our own permissions plugin. It's pretty good. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye.